Today I'm going to show you one of the most useful cleaning tricks in Power Query. How to extract text before, after, or between delimiters. Alright, so this is inside my Power Query editor and I have loaded the data. And the source name, which is the Excel file name. So I want to extract the month, which is between 2 underscore from this source name. So what I can do is that I can go to Add Column, Extract, and text between delimiters. Then I type in the delimiter, which is the underscore, and I click on OK. Alright, so now I got the month extracted over here, and the name is called text between delimiters. So I can actually just rename it over here. So just month. And I can also rearrange. So I want it to be in front. So just put it in front of the date column. And now I got my month extracted from the source name. And same, I can also extract the year. So just select the source name column, go to Add Column, Extract, and text between delimiters. So this time it's the start delimiter is the underscore and the end is the dot. Alright, then I click on OK, and now I got the month and the year together, but I only need the year. So I can just double click inside this step, and at the advanced option, just click from the end of the input and click on OK. Alright, let's see. And now I got the year. Alright, then let's rename this. Rename this to year. And let's rearrange the column again. Alright, so now I got the year and the month nicely extracted from the source name. Alright, so be sure to try it out. It's very useful if you have important information inside the Excel name or some other column as well. And if you find this tutorial useful, make sure to follow me and I'll see you next time. Bye.